Amanda.
And I'm Christine.
And we're from Barker's Barn.
Today we want to get you caught up on a little bit of history when it comes to our family and our story.
So the story starts in 1922 with Andy's Auto Parts, and our dad, Steve Barker, was born into a family that opened Andy's Auto Parts, and at 11, he started working there.
That was our great uncle Andy that opened that gas station and parts store, and throughout our dad's career there, he learned to love cars. And in 1959, he went into Walker Chevrolet and pre-ordered a 1960 El Camino with just about every option you could get. Shortly after that, he started racing at Puyallup Valley Raceways and became really iconic within the Pacific Northwest drag racing community. Throughout the years after that, he continued to purchase numerous cars and house these cars in a place called Barker's Barn.
Barker's Barn is very well known and beloved by the community. It's located on Pioneer Way in Tacoma, Washington. And if you've ever been there, you know that it's the ultimate man cave.
It definitely created a lifetime of memories for numerous car lovers locally. And if you have been there, like Amanda said, you've definitely never forgotten your experience. It was never a true business. It was really just a place where he kept all of his cars and you could go locally to connect with local car lovers.
2 miles up the road is Andy's Auto Parts, which we referenced in the beginning, and our dad worked there his whole life until the time when he passed at 80 years old.
Our dad passed really unexpectedly. Honestly, we would have never imagined a life without him. And here we are 4 or 5 years later without our dad. And when he died, we were really at a loss for what we were going to do next. So after finding some notes from our dad and with some encouragement from his friends and with no prior experience at all, we did exactly what he would want us to do. We took his advice and we just kept going. We read his notes meticulously to the T and followed absolutely every single thing that he wanted done on his cars. Through the support of our dad's friends, the local community, and our own passion, we opened up the gas station from 1922, and we just kept going. We picked away every day at projects, and the result was unreal. Hundreds of thousands of you tuned in daily as we shared our journey with you. We couldn't believe it, but millions of you watch our videos each month. And at the end of the day, we're just two sisters trying to carry on our dad's legacy the best way that we know how. We're looking for any support and help that we can possibly get when it comes to restoring our family's third generation 1922 gas station. And of course, locally loved Barker's Barn. It's a full task, but we are proud to do it. And it's been the best journey so far. We've been able to connect with our dad's friends and keep a spot that they've loved going. And of course, we found a love for one another even more than ever before. We've enjoyed the journey of keeping this thing going. After the result of our dad's service, where more than 1,000 people showed up and people trailered their cars from across the country, we knew there was a need for something more, perhaps something yearly where the community could come together.
I think a year ago we were devastated and lost and really scared to kind of embark on a life without my dad.
Thank you, Christine and Amanda, for what you've all done for all of this.
Thank you.
I think that we all share a common goal that we are going to get every damn car in this building running.
Yes!
And we appreciate you guys for supporting us. We hope that you guys will always stop by and that you always have a home in the barn and that you always have a place at Andy's, because we have to have that for our lives to deal with not having my dad here. So thank you guys.
There she stood in the street, smiling from her head to her feet. I said, hey, what is your baby, maybe she's in need of a kiss. I said, hey, what's your name, baby? Maybe we can see things the same. Now don't you wait, hesitate. Let's move.
Before we wrap up, we just want to say thank you. What you've seen in this video wasn't built by just one person or even just one family. It's been built by generations of support, friendships, shared memories, and a community that has stood beside us every step of the way. From the people who helped our dad along to those who continue to support Andy's, Barker's Barn, Hot Barker Nights, and everything we're doing. We truly wouldn't be here without you. Our goal has always been simple: preserve the stories, save a little piece of automotive history, remember our dad, and share the journey with all of you. If you enjoy what we're doing, there are a few ways you can help. Subscribe and become part of the community, watch and share our videos, come visit us at our events, or simply continue following along. Every view, every comment, every share, and every subscription helps us keep these stories alive. From our family to yours, thank you for being a part of the journey. We can't wait to show you what's next.